A lot of users have been asking, can RICO animation be done on phone? And if yes, what are the secret applications used by RICO Animator? Alright, so presently we are on our RICO Animation channel, and I will show you one of his video which he created. Okay, this is about 3 years ago when he was creating videos on YouTube. All right, this one was created with flipaclip. This also was created with flipaclip, and this was created with flipaclip. But the truth is, it was not only flipaclip RICO animation actually used to create most of his animation videos. All right, so today I'm going to show you guys other application he used. And before we go actually start animating, there are some principles which he puts in consideration before he gets right into animation, or should I say animation. Okay, so you can look at us this when it was just starting 3 years ago. You can look at how the character look like. You can look at this, how his character look like, right? Okay, so I would really show you all what was done by this guy and how is he moving. So let's get down to this video.
Hey man, what are you doing? Can't you see I'm trying to think about year 2025? See, just forget about it. Guys, do you know that you can make 2D animation just like this with your smartphone? You heard me right, with your mobile devices.
We'll still want to show you guys. So first, the application you are to the tutorial guide which would help you out to know more about how these things are being done. I have it all. Okay, that is, I've created a application which will give you all those knowledge RICO and other top animators actually what follow in order for them to be able to to kickstart. Okay, so I'm not really saying this is the tutorial or my app they use to actually, or my tutorial guide they use to learn animation. No, well, that's what I'm saying. But what I'm just trying to let you know is that with this basic this principle, foundational principle for all aspiring animators, or people, or you as a person that probably you have one or two idea about animation, okay, and you still want to go in depth just like the RICO, okay, and other stick figure animators rather. Okay, so you really need to learn out, you need to understand the basic principle. So I've created the app which is called 2D anime, okay, which is this, whereby it has helped a lot of people. Okay, initially it's always a pay to learn, okay, tutorial whereby you pay before you learn, but this time around now I'm giving it out for free. Okay, it's a huge free gift away to everyone, but I believe I'm helping the masses, and the only way you can do me a favor is by liking this video and subscribing to my channel, and also share this video to your loved ones. Okay, so and how can you download my application? It's quite simple, super simple and super easy. So first I would uninstall this application so that you can see. Let me uninstall it for now. Okay, now how to download my application is quite simple. What you need to do first is, as at the time I'm creating this video, my app is not yet available on the Play Store nor Apple Store. So if you go onto your Play Store first and you search for 2D anime, that is 2D anime, sorry, 2D anime, this one, okay, If you search for it, presently it's not yet on Play Store. Okay, so you see the results that says you see this result that says no result found for that. Okay, reason is I'm here to publish it. Okay, it's still in progress and we need some fund to push it out, to push it on the Play Store and as well Apple Store. So if you can as well dash this channel little box, no amount is too small. I'm not really asking from anyone, but for me to have give it out, what a knowledge you would learn, you would pay uh at least $10 upward. Okay, I'm giving it out for free. So if you can help me out, I really appreciate. All right, thank you as you do so. So you can as well just join or buy a super chat for me or any of those aspects, and you can as well, my PayPal link is there as well. You can as well send me a couple of bucks. Okay, thank you for that. So moving on, would so open up your web browser. Okay, then you need to search for my website called condicollege.com.ng, which is this. Okay, so when you search for it, you click on it. Then from there you need to click on this three button, that's the on button. Okay, so click on it. Then here you see sorry, so sorry about that. So here you see the this animation class is what you need to click on. Okay, so you click on it. So when you click on it, you have a video that will display there. Now here is what you need to learn in the VIP class. Like I said initially, it's always a pay to learn, okay, knowledge, but I'm giving it out for free. Okay, I mean totally free for everyone. So what you need to do is scroll down, and as you can see here, it is for Play Store and Apple Store. My app is coming soon. Okay, but in order for you to download it, as at the day as at presently I'm making this video, is simple. You just click on this get free button, okay, which I will do also. So when I click on it, then it will take me to area where to download, and I'll click on download. So here it will ask me down to download again because I've downloaded before. I have to show you guys how it goes. Okay, so click on download again, then click this three button to navigate to the download area. Okay, I guess we are done. Then click on it to install it. So here, for the first time, you might be having some security questions. You need to just allow it. Okay, and that's to avoid that security questions. That's why I really need to push it onto Play Store and Apple Store. It is a tutorial anime class, or should I say tutorial animation class, okay, for every aspiring animators. Okay, so click on install. Okay, so it's safe for everyone to download. So here when you open it, so first you might try it on Play Store as at the time I'm creating this video, and if you've seen it there, then it's there already. So here is it, and click OK, then just select allow. Okay, and let's see, let us give it a time to load. Okay, so by skipping all these ads, just skip it. So this is the videos you really need to watch. You need to watch all, like, take your time to watch it. I've taken my time to explain every detail you need to know in the video. So I hope this video is helpful, and I can't wait to see the great amazing content you all will be creating in the nearest future. Thank you so much. Have a lovely day. Bye for now. Ciao, ciao. One love.